Hi loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Rethabile, but I'm known as Rethabz. So in today's video guys, we are going to create this amazing date night look guys. I just hope you are going to enjoy creating this look with me because I really did enjoy in creating it. So, and if you want to see more of my videos guys, please subscribe, like and click the bell button to be notified every time when my videos goes out. So without wasting any more time guys, let's get straight into this video. Okay loves, the first thing that I am going to do, I'm going to prime my face, and to prime my face I am going to use the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in the shade 35 before applying any eyeshadow. And I am going to blend it with a beauty blender. Then I will go in with a fluffy brush or a blending brush guys, because I find that when I only use a beauty blender on the inner part of my eyes, you find that the concealer or the eyeshadow base is not blended accordingly. So during the day you find that my eyeshadow start to crease. Alright lives, now we are going to apply the first eyeshadow, which is our transition shade. As you know that I like to use the orange shade. You know guys, there are kids playing outside and they are making a lot of noise. But let's just continue. As long as you guys can be able to hear me, don't mind the noise, and I'm very sorry for that. So we are going to use the orange shade as our transition shade from the Galflower Cosmetics palette. So, and then to apply the shade, I am going to use a fluffy or a blending brush. As you can see guys, that I did not use too much of this shade. It's very pigmented, so I just used a small amount of it. As you can see that it is showing, but not that much. So the second shade that we are going to use is this brown shade from the palette Msiyaho. We are going to go into this brown shade here, just using a flat brush to apply it, and then we are going to blend it with the orange shade, the transition shade, after applying it. As you can see guys, that I'm just applying it on the crease just like that, and then I go in the inner part. Alright loves, as you can see that the orange and the brown has blended very well. I love it. So we are going to dip into the black shade from the very same palette that we have used, and we are going to use a very small fluffy brush to apply the shade. So I'm just going to apply this black shade just right next to the brown shade, and I'm just tapping it so that it does not go all over, and then later on I'm going to blend it with the brown shade using a fluffy brush, another small fluffy brush. So as you can see now, I'm having a hashed line between the black and the brown, so I'm going to blend them with the orange that we have used as the transition shade. So when you apply an eyeshadow, guys, or eyeshadows, it's all about blending. So you don't need to rush anything. So just take your time. If you want to create a smooth blended look, just take your time. And the key is to blend, guys. As I always tell you, that the key is to blend your eyeshadows, and then you will not go wrong. Alright, you loves, as you can see, everything is blended. I'm sure that you can also see it's all about taking time and using the right brushes. So it's very important to invest in also getting the good brushes, guys. So now we are going to cut our crease. For that, I'm still going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, the one that I have used to prime my eyes, and I am going to use the concealer brush to cut my crease. Okay, guys, now I am using a clean flat brush to remove any excess concealer. And then I'm going to set this concealer to avoid creasing with my Candid, Revlon Candid setting powder. And you can also use a neutral eyeshadow, guys, to set this concealer. Okay, my love, we are done with cutting our crease, and we are now going to dip into this shade from Anylady palette, and I'm going to use a small fluffy brush to apply this shade. I'm not getting the pigment that I want for this shade, so what I'm going to do, I am going to apply a setting spray on the brush, just like that, and then I think it is going to be better. You see, it is making a lot of difference. So basically what I am doing, guys, I am tapping the product. I'm tapping it in so that the product does not move. As I told you guys, that my eyeshadow palettes are not the best ones, but they are very good for beginners. So now I am going to go into the brown shade we have used just to blend the black and this shade. Okay, my loves, as this is a date night kind of a look, so you know at night you have to at least look a little bit glittery, like so. I hope I'm making sense. So I'm going to add some glitter on our eye look, and just to spice things up. So I'm going to dip into this glitter from the Cauliflower cosmetic palette. So I'm going to dip into this one here, just on top of the shimmery shade that we have just applied. So I'm not going to use any glue because I don't want this look to have only glitter. So I want the glitter just to sort of decorate this shade here. Guys, the look is giving. it's giving. I just hope on the camera you can also see that just after applying this glitter, like it's giving, guys. It is giving. So my loves, I don't know what happened to the clip of me applying my eyeliner, but the eyeliner that I have used is the Signature Cosmetics black eyeliner. So as you have seen that I just applied my mascara in order for me to be able to install my false lashes, and I used a Signature Cosmetics lash glue to apply the lashes. So to prime my face, I am going to use the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Pore Erase Primer. And the reason why we are priming our face is because a primer seals the skin and protects it from the damage that harsh makeup products can cause on your skin. So it is very important to prime your face. And the foundations that I am going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me foundations. The first one is number 350 and the other one is number 352. So to blend them, I am first going to blend them using a foundation brush. Then I will go in with a beauty blender. Light, I am going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And the reason why we do highlight, guys, is because when you highlight, you fake a facelift first of all and make your forehead look polished. That is why we highlight on our forehead as well, and we minimize dark under eye circles. And again, we also plump up your lips when you highlight on your lips. So to blend the highlight, I am going to use a beauty blender as well as a blending brush. The reason why I'm using a blending brush first before beauty blender is because when I only use a beauty blender during the day, I find that my under eyes start to crease. So I'm not sure if I'm not blending well with a beauty blender or not, but ever since I started using the blending brush, it helped me a lot. And to set the concealer, I'm using a Revlon Candid setting powder, which is number 2. So to contour, I am just going to use an Anylady palette. So I'm going to use the brown shade in that palette as well as the light orange shade as my blush. So I'm not a blush person, but ever since I started using that light orange shade in that palette, I'm now in love with applying blush. And guys, to contour your face helps to enhance your facial bone structure as well as create depth. All right, now we are moving to our bottom lashes. So I'm going to apply a black eyeshadow. So I don't have a black eyeliner. I guess I have to do some shopping. I'm going to use a black eyeshadow, the one that we used on creating the eye look. So yes, I'm just going to use it with a very flat just like that. The pigment of this product, guys, I'm telling you, you see already. So but it's okay, I think it's way too much, but I'm going to go in with the powder brush. Let me just continue, then once I'm done I'll go in with the powder brush. I don't know why I stopped using this product, guys. I don't know why, cause like wow, it is so amazing, and I've been having this product for I think 3 years now. My loves, this is the final look, guys. I am loving this look, guys. I just hope you are loving it as well, and I really did enjoy in creating this amazing look, guys. As you can see that it is a great look for the night date, guys, for you to meet that guy for the very first time, if you are going to meet one, or you can even rock this look just going on a solo date. So I saw that there's a footage missing of me applying my lips, so my lipstick I meant to say. So I applied this PowerLips fluid new color, which is the shade Regain. This is the one that I have used. So there was calls coming in, so they were disturbing me with me completing my video, so just forgive me for that, guys. So if you really do love this look, guys, please like and comment and tell me what you feel about this look, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, guys. So I will see you on my next video, guys. Goodbye.